All right, I hope you feel inspired to go grab a container and get planting already. With these different container options, there are so many ways you can dive in and start to grow your own salad garden right away. A lot of these can be grown indoors, outdoors, on a porch or patio, even right by your front door. There's so many ways that you can set up your own salad garden right away in some of the simplest ways. But the thing you gotta do is decide. I would go ahead and pick which one is your favorite and how you wanna get started with your first salad garden. So prioritize which container is the one that will be best for you, deciding based on their naturalness, their durability, their affordability, and their beauty. So pick the thing that you think will best align with your preferences and then go for it. The best way to learn how to grow salad is to actually start growing it. So I hope you feel inspired by these lessons all about the containers that you'll use for your salad garden, and I can't wait to see you in the next set of lessons.